What is the difference between cereal and cereal? So first of all, both words are pronounced exactly the same. Cereal, 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 cereal. So first, cereal with the letter C. Cereal or breakfast cereal is a food made from grain, and we usually mix it with milk and eat for breakfast. For example, I have a bowl of cereal every morning. Do you eat cereal for breakfast? Also, cereals are plants such as wheat, corn, or rice that produce grain, meaning one of various types of grass that produce grains that can be eaten or used to make flour or bread. So wheat, rice, and corn are cereals. Now, a serial with an S is a film that has many episodes in it. A serial is a story which is broadcast on television or radio, or it can also be published in a magazine or newspaper in a number of parts over a period of time. For example, Downton Abbey, my favorite serial, is one of the Netflix most popular serials. This novel was made into a television serial. You can also use serial as an adjective, and it means the same, broadcast or published in several separate parts, one after another. You can say a serial novel, meaning such a novel that is divided into several parts. It has several parts in it. They are currently filming a serial drama for the BBC. Not only talking about films, you can still use serial as an adjective, just talking about things which are happening one after another. They go in order, one by one after another. She is the librarian in charge of serial publications. And these serial publications are magazines, newspapers, and they appear at regular periods, every week, every month, maybe every day. So these are serial publications. And one more meaning of the word serial: it can be used to describe a person who commits similar crime all over again, or just similar bad acts. She wrote a thriller about a brutal serial killer, or maybe serial murderer. So one more time, cereal with a C is food which we eat for breakfast, and serial is a film of many episodes or something what happens regularly one by one. That's it. That's the whole difference. If it was useful, I would appreciate if you can let me know by giving a like to this video, and I hope to see you in my next one.